What's up everybody, Rob Oddcast once again for the SB Entertainment video channel. In today's episode we're doing a quick unboxing of the Nulaxy 3D printing pen that we picked up from Amazon. So I saw this online and it's pretty colorful. Like I said, looks like a robot. Here are the specs in the back. Comes with the 3D pen, power adapter, charging cable, user manual, pen holder, which is that guy right there. Small shovel, not quite sure what that's for, and a drawing template and some filaments. So it already comes with a medium to start 3D printing. So without further ado, let's check this out. Already took out the shrink wrap. Oh wow, okay, this thing is pretty smooth. It's slick. I like it. What's it say over here? Oh, so those are the things you could potentially create with it. Here's the warranty information there. Has a nice gift box look, so you could practically just wrap this up as is, or just put a, well, I wouldn't just put a ribbon on it, but let's go through the items. So starting with this, so here's the actual device. Come hither. Okay, all right, so that's what it looks like. That's the top where you feed the filament. Reminds me of that robot from Wall-E. Got your buttons there. I think there's a vent. Alright, that's the nozzle. There's some cutouts here. I'm assuming that's the speaker, because in the box itself it does say that has a voice prompt. Okay, so this is probably the shovel they were talking about. Here are the filaments, which is the medium that you use to, you know, melt and 3D print with. Comes with different colors. This is the stand. Let's make some space here. Yeah. Alright, this right here, I think, yeah, it's like a thimble. So basically, I guess, you know, when you're 3D printing stuff, you're melting the filament. So this will be to protect your finger. Looks like an AC adapter to power your device. That's what it looks like. Pretty sleek. USB. You have your USB cable right here. So USB micro. It's about the standard now for, you know, powering these gadgets. All right. So this looks like a template. Here's your 18-month warranty card. Have your instruction manual there. 3D pen, robot A. So let's go through this real quick. That's the filament hole, so that was right. And then your indicator light, I'm guessing the eyes would light up. Power in, that's where you would plug in the USB cable. Filament unload button, I'm guessing you press that to unload it. And function air outlet, so that was right, that's the vent. And that's the ceramic nozzle, that's where the filament comes out of after you melt it. Another list, how to use instructions here. And safety notice. What else do we have? Oh, what's this? Oh, another one of those thimble things. This one's pretty small, so probably for kids. This pink one over here is for adults. Yep. So you got those, and that's it in the box. So that's it. So you have your base right here, and you have your cable, thimble, they called it the shovel, your manual, filaments, starter pack, your warranty card, template, and that's it. So let's go plug this in. Let's check this out, see what it's about. Alright, so we got everything unboxed. Separating these filaments were a little bit of a pain because they were all like tied up together. We got our 3D printing pen robot plugged in. As you can see, the eyes are lit.
Switch on.
Switch on. There you go. So supposedly the eyes would turn blue once it's ready for use. Warming up.
Heating complete. Lower heat of the pen nozzle.
Okay, it says heating complete. I didn't quite understand what it said, but I'm guessing it said something about the heat of the nozzle. Next step, let's go ahead and load the filament. So basically to do that, click the function button again.
Loading filament.
Alright, so it's loading. Let's get this yellow one. Is it doing it? Oh, there it is. Oh, okay. So it's sort of kind of like a glue gun. And then you print away and build up. So start with the first layer. First time we're using this, so we're a bit sloppy. So you just draw that. Let's go to the frame of the bike.
Pause.
Oh, so I pressed the function by accident, so it paused it. Let's press it again.
Loading filament.
Okay, it's loading. So supposedly that function button also controls the speed. Alright.
Pause.
Alright, let's pause that. Alright, let's continue.
Loading filament.
So they give you enough filaments to, you know, get you started. But I definitely foresee that I'm going to need more once I get fairly familiar with this and I get good at it.
Pause.
Right.
Loading filament.
Pretty cool. I'm liking it. Alright, so now we're building up our frame. And I guess that little
Pause.
shovel thingamabob is what will allow you to pick this up once it cools off.
Loading filament.
So build it up more.
Pause. Loading filament. Unloading filament.
Oh no! I unloaded it by accident. Alright. So I guess once you unload it, since it's been melted, that filament is gonna look, let's see if I could focus. It's gonna look like this because it's been melted. So as per the instructions, when you're about to reload it again, make sure you cut this flat so it feeds better. So we got the frame there. And it hardened pretty quick too. Alright. Could use a little bit more work to polish that up. So let's continue with the seat, the handlebars. Oh, that's the handlebar. Oh, those are the pedals. Here's the seat, here's the wheels. So let's try a different color for the wheels. Let's do black. So I guess it's advisable to try to keep your thumb clear of the function buttons. Otherwise, you're going to end up either stopping it by accident. Oh, look, there's still some yellow leftovers. Just got to be conscious of that cable also. Make sure you don't end up hitting the work that you've been doing. And I guess it'll help also if you do a continuous flow. That way you have a more consistent flow of filament there. I like it.
Pause.
Time to pause. Alright. So we got that piece done. Let's do the second wheel.
Loading filament.
Or maybe it would help if you keep the that nozzle close to the surface that you're working with, so it doesn't like wiggle out like that. It's like an automatic feeding hot glue gun. I'm getting good at this.
Pause.
Alright. So we got the wheels ready.
Unloading filament.
Let's unload the filament. What should we color the petals? Let's try red. Pop that in there. Press function.
Loading filament.
Loading filament. Alright. So let's start with the petals. This time we're going to keep the nozzle close to the paper.
Pause.
Pause it. Next one.
Loading filament. Pause.
Alright. Let's do the handlebars.
Loading filament.
It needs some getting used to, especially with the way you operate the pen. I was doing it too high off the paper before. That's why I was getting those wiggly, wrinkly stuff on the yellow frame. But you'll get used to it the more you use it. After we 3D print these right here, we'll use the same filaments to basically kind of glue them together. Alright, so we got our components 3D printed. Put this guy on the stand for now. Let's check this out. So I'm guessing this is what this little quote shovel is for. Let's see what we got so far. Guess I didn't really need it. There you go. You got wheel number 1. I think we should have built it up a little bit more. Now, if you're not using this, template, I think it would be good if you used like wax paper. Wheel number 2. Pretty sturdy. Alright, then let's go to the frame. I guess we're going to the thing first. Oh, let's get that out of there. Handlebar, frame. Guess it went on standby. Then we have these pedals over here. Boom. And finally the seat. So it cools pretty quick. So we got our 3D printed parts here. We got the 2 wheels. There's the frame. like that. Then we got the pedals. Just need a little bit of cleanup. Then you have the handlebar. And then the seat. That's pretty cool. So you get the gist of it. Basically, you draw it as you see it, and then you build it up. Pretty awesome. And yeah, this is pretty cool. I think I'm definitely gonna pick up some more of these. Nulaxy 3D printing robot pen. So I'll post the final product of this once I merge it all together. But yeah, I like it. Definitely a plus. So it does get warm, obviously, because it's trying to melt the filament, but gives you these thimbles. And for me, I didn't need it. I didn't really feel that it was hotter than, I don't know, a hot mug of coffee. So you know, the heat was manageable for me. I'm just curious, if we take this out, yeah, you do need it plugged in, but
switch on.
all right, let that warm up again. But yeah, I like it. So comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors of filaments when you first get it, and you know, that should be more than enough to get you started, at least with the templates that they give you. I mean, you could always freestyle it if you want. This time I tried to use the template for the bicycle. So at the end of this video, I'll post a picture in the credits section on the final product. But yeah, I like it. So once again, this is the Nulaxy 3D printing robot pen that we picked up from Amazon. Good deal. Definitely keep an eye out on it, especially Black Friday's around the corner. This might even go on sale for a cheaper price. I believe the last time I checked online, there was even a coupon available for you to use. So definitely give it a shot. I'm going to include the Amazon link in the video description below, so you could check out the latest pricing on it and inventory and when they could have it delivered to you. You got plenty of time for the holiday season anyway. So again, this is Rob Outcast for the SB Entertainment video channel. If you haven't done so yet, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our latest unboxing and product reviews. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and feel free to share the love and share our videos. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys found this video informative and fun, and see you on the next episode. Peace.